Hi guys, how are you doing? Welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Cooking with Barbara Modhoni. If you're new here, karibu sana. You're so much welcome. Remember to subscribe and to press the notification bell so that you can be notified every time I post a new video and you'll be part of this wonderful family. So guys, today I'm going to show you how to prepare plantains, and also I'm going to tell you the difference between green bananas and plantains. So if you want to learn that, you better stay tuned. So here are the plantains, and these ones are green bananas. I thought it would be wise if I start by showing you, or rather telling you, the difference between these two. So plantains are bananas but can never be eaten without cooking. Whether they are this yellow or green, you must cook them first before eating. Green bananas, they can be eaten when they turn yellow, or rather when they ripen up, like these ones. They can be eaten without cooking, but when they are green, they must be cooked before being consumed. And also another difference is plantains are normally very long. As you can see the difference, these ones are long and this one is also long, one of the longest green bananas you can ever get. Another difference is plantains are also elongated at the bottom end. As you can see, the tip is quite long. The tip of this one is more on the round side. And also another difference is on the price side. Plantains are normally quite expensive. Like one piece of plantain like this one is 65 bob. I got each at 65 shillings. And these ones are fair on the market. Like you can get 3 for 20 shillings or 25 shillings. Yeah, that's pretty much it about these two. So let's dive on to preparing the plantains. So we're going to start by preparing them, and that is removing the skin. Yeah, as you can see, it's quite easy to remove the peeling. So we're just going to do the same to the next one. And also another thing I'd like to mention, plantains are sweeter when the skin is more on the darker side. Like you see these black patches, they indicate that the plantain is over ripening, which is a good thing when it comes to plantains. Next, we're going to slice them, and to slice them we have two ways which you can do that. So one way is you just cut them into regular circular shape like this, and the other way that is mostly used is you cut them at an angle like that. As you can see, this one is not circle compared to this one. So this is the mostly used way of slicing plantains, but you can use either. And also on the size, don't slice them too thin because they will end up being crisp. So I also prefer my plantains quite thick so that I can feel the flesh. there we have our plantains. So next we're going to start frying them. There are two ways you can fry them. You can shallow fry them and you can deep fry them, but I prefer shallow frying. And also you can air fry them, and also you can bake them in the oven. So for now we are going to shallow fry them. And also I'd like to mention something about seasoning plantains. So here I have three things. I have salt, I have paprika, and I have black pepper. So most people prefer using salt and black pepper. Others also add in paprika, but personally I prefer having plantains without any seasoning. Not salt, not paprika, not black pepper, just as they are. So for now we are not going to use any seasoning. I'm just going to deep fry this. So let's get on to it. So we're going to allow the pan to heat up kidogo, then we're going to add in our oil. So now we're going to add in some cooking oil. Remember, we are shallow frying, we are not deep frying, so not so much oil is needed. So also we are going to allow the oil to heat up, and then we are going to add our plantains. Our oil is hot now, so we're going to add in our plantains. When you're doing any deep frying, always ensure you don't overcrowd your pan, and also don't add the plantains when the oil is not hot enough, because they will absorb the oil and they will end up being soggy. We will have to do round 1 and round 2 because we don't want to overcrowd. You keep checking if the bottom side is cooked, because we don't want to burn them. So we're going to start turning the ones which are cooked. So here is our plate of plantains. They look so nice and also they smell so nice. Some of you might think they are burnt, but no, they are not burnt. They have a lot of sugar in them. That's why they tend to caramelize when you cook, hence this golden brown color. Guys, tell me on the comment section what you will enjoy your plantains with. For me, I like enjoying them just as they are, without seasoning or without anything, just as they are, because they are very, very sweet. That's the end of our video today. I hope you've enjoyed it and you've learned how to prepare these delicious plantains. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you've enjoyed it and you've learned how to prepare the most delicious plantains in town, and also you'll try out the recipe and tell me how it goes on all my social media platforms. Until next time, bye, and remember to give this video a thumbs up if you like it and to subscribe if you've not.